cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla V. I really appreciate you all if you are subscribed and you're tuning back in. But if you're new here, welcome. Go and subscribe so you hear about the next video. Okay, so today's video is going to be exactly the title. I'm not going to try to draw it out too much because you know I will be talking. But okay, so the reason why I felt like this was a really necessary video for my channel was because one, I am a lash technician, duh. So, and two, I just feel like being a faithful lash wearer, like I feel like a lot of women are out here. I come across a lot of women that don't wash their lash extensions. A lot of women that are like, I should be washing my lash extension. Yes, you should be washing your lash extensions. If you, I feel like that's a tongue twister. But if you, that's like not washing your lash extensions are like not washing your hair. That's gross, like period. I feel like any hair in your body can attract any type of bacteria. So if you're washing your hair or any other hair on your body, you should be washing your lash extensions, like period. There's no, I'm not gonna touch them, make them last longer. No, that's why you're losing money. That's why you're not keeping your retention. So I wanted to come to you all today and show you, for all my visual learners, give you all an exact step-to-step show of exactly how I keep my Zorlins clean. So I guess I do have a very dramatic set, thanks to my baby Lisha. So I do have to keep my lashes clean. I do have a lot in between, you know, a lot of jumbled up, so it could be a lot going on between them. So especially me, I like to make sure my lashes are very clean. So without further ado, because I'm already rambling, just keep watching if you are interested in, I'm going to show you. Okay, so I brought y'all a little close so we could all the way see what I was doing. My face looks a little weird, my lashes do, because I just took off a little bit of makeup that I had on, and because it is nighttime, so I'm getting ready for bed technically. So my lashes did get a little wet after I rinsed off my face cleanser, but it's okay. So what you'll need is, you'll need your lash cleanser, whatever you use, if you have one from your lash technician or if you make one yourself, or if you order one online, just have a lash cleaner. And you'll need a spoolie. You should already have hundreds of these. If you are a faithful lash wearer, you should have one everywhere, in your purse, in your car, your bathroom, everywhere. So one pump onto the brush. Well, I did a little more than a pump, but it's okay. All right, so I take the foam right on my lashes, put it right on top, brush it right through. Simple. Boom. You've washed your lashes. Ta-da. And if it is a proper lash cleanser, you should not be burning. Like, you should technically be able to open your eyes. You should be fine. So sometimes when I'm wearing makeup, or because my lashes are thicker, I might do a little extra of a pump just to make sure all them suds got in between them lashes real good. And then for the sake of the video, I have a bowl of water in front of me, but if you're in your bathroom, you'll have your sink. So I'll dip my brush into my water and I'll go in with a fresh brush, kinda. I'll brush them again. If you cannot do this to your lashes and you're losing lashes the entire time you're washing them and every time you're washing them, you might either need to talk to your lash tech about the products she's using or find a new lash tech. So instead of using a towel, once I'm done, I'm gonna actually go back and just kind of brush them one more time with a little water. If I was at my sink, I would give a little splash, but you know, I am in my recording room where my lighting is best, so this is what I'm giving you. I like to have a paper towel instead of an actual towel because I feel like sometimes my lashes may get caught on, you know, if there's like a snag piece of the towel or something, and I just don't want the cotton all in my lashes. So I like to use paper towel because I feel like I don't really have that issue, and I don't rub or anything. I just get one pressed and then I'm done. Okay, And then any other drawing that I do, that's honestly just to make sure that all the water and everything is in from off my face, really. And any other drawing that takes place is after effect. Some clients I have actually has ordered the fan that I use or that you use after get your extensions done to dry your glue. They'll actually dry their lashes after they wash them. Or some people just wait, and as you're waiting, don't worry if your lashes look like this. Like you saw how mine looked at the beginning of the video. So your lashes aren't gonna look different because they're wet. So if you are having this issue and you feel like, okay, my lashes are not looking how they did when I got them done, it's probably because they're dirty, or if they're wet, then you just make sure you letting them dry. Make sure you're completely brushing them. That's why your brush is very important. It's almost as important as washing. They go hand in hand. They're the perfect couple. So I'm actually going to wash my second one real quick, sped up, and then I'm going to show y'all how I wash them in the oil drip. Okay, so boom, my other eye's clean. So now what I do, honestly, I might just go in my room and just chill because I don't really have time sometimes. But if I'm like, okay, I wash my lashes in the morning, or I'm having something to do, or I'm getting prepared, I'll take my blow dryer on a cool setting. A few of my clients do this too, and I'll just blow my lashes and then brush them, blow and brush, and before you know it, they'll open back up. So I'm actually gonna go do that for the sake of the video. I'm gonna show y'all the difference that it makes. So one sec, let me actually come up close. Sorry, I had to get up because I want y'all to see how my lashes look right now. And then how they'll look in a second after I dry them. So neat. Boom! See, the fluff is back. So I just, honestly, they're still probably, I didn't dry them that long. I just kind of ran into the room and just blow dried them for a second. But they are back alive. And boom. Boom. The only last thing that I did, honestly, after blow drying them on a cool setting, cool. Okay, so don't be out here like, oh my God, you told me to blow dry my lashes and I burn my face. No, I did not. I told you don't do that. Just dry them. Okay, so all I did was blow dry them and brush them with a clean spoolie, Like I said, you should have spoolies everywhere so that you're just making sure you're not kind of just crossing them. Just making sure that this one's for that, this one's for that, this is my car one. So you have your cleaning spoolie. So keep that for that. But I just brushed them as they were drying, and boom, I just opened up my fans and I'm back to black. Okay, so if you have any questions or you just want to know anything else in the lash department, feel free to comment below. I really don't mind answering them. Or you could go over to my business page and maybe find out some information there. I might answer them, or DM me there. I don't mind. That's KV__artistry, and just follow that page because there's some bomb stuff going on over there. So thumbs up this video if you like videos like this, kind of like me showing you all, anything in the lash department for my lash extension girls. I will definitely bring that back to my channel more. I just need to know, so I need y'all to let me know. Comments below. But it is so late and I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed, or whatever time you're watching this. Have a great day, have a great night, and until next time, tell someone you love them because they just might need it. Bye, darlings.